everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing 5 AI tools that can save you hours of work and make you studying way easier in 2025. Let's get it. Let's get inside. ChatGPT, your personal AI tutor. Whether you are stuck on assignment, need summary of research paper, or want to practice questions, it's like having a 24/7 study buddy. Imagine taking messy lecture notes and instantly turning them into clean summaries, flashcards, or even study guides, perfect for exam preparation. Third is Grammarly and Quillboot. If you write essays or research papers, Grammarly and Quillboots are lifesavers. They fix grammar, improve clarity, and even help rephrase sentence to sound more professional. Number 4 is Perplexity AI. This one is game changer. It is like Google but smarter. It gives you answers with sources, so more wasting time scrolling through dozens of links. Go to Perplexity AI transcriber. Finally, Avatar AI is just record your lecture and it transcribes everything into text automatically. You will never miss any important point again. So these are powerful AI tools every student should try in 2025. When will you have first? Let me know in the comments. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share.